Welcome to another episode of Crypto Miner, guys. Today we're going to be watching what is happening in the Bitcoin chart. We are going to be checking out everything, but before we do anything, go scroll, smash this like button, subscribe to the channel, press the bell button for all the notifications so you get this very nice fresh content we are sharing with you every single time. Now, of course, you can join the Telegram group community, everything for free, right there for your entertainment reasons only, with the best instructors and traders, where you will get the amazing signals we are giving for our community. And not only. Now, let's go directly there to find out what we have in the chart for the Bitcoin in the midterm. We are checking out on the 6-hour time frame is this insane chart that is playing right now. We have this inverted hand and shoulder pattern where this actually broke towards the upper side, and we got exactly the first confirmation right here. Now, this is an amazing opportunity in case you want to start dollar cost averaging right here for a new massive trade. So I would say, like, the first, of course, entry for me was approximately at this point, exactly on the confirmation after we saw this curving towards the upside. And of course, I would like to see further price action in case we have an insane a second actually confirmation that is reversing towards the downside right here. What I would do is I would expect a scenario playing out like that one or even higher right here, so we can see a further price action towards the upper side. And yes, this is what I'm checking at this point. Now, in case you are traders, and of course professional traders, I would say this is the only way to trade is the DCA, like dollar cost average in and dollar cost exit is the same thing what I'm doing right now. And of course, everything is an entertainment reason why we are doing all of that. Is not a financial advice. Now, we might gonna see a breakout at this point. This is a falling wedge, and this falling wedge could easily have another break towards the upper side, and this is an AB equals CD scenario that I would take right here, right now, with this kind of confluence turning and of course coming to the demand zone over that. And you can see right here there is another consolidation level where we could see another break towards the upper side, but of course we'll come to take it a little bit earlier, so we are securing the profits. Now, we are not going to take it that way. We have to go a little bit more further to what is happening on the 6-hour time frame. We see this very nice curve on the money flow right now, and of course what I was expecting from yesterday night was the curve on the very nice momentum waves, and of course the VWAP that already have turned towards the upside. That's very good. We'll see another most likely pump coming into the next 6 hours from now. That is 18 18 UTC time. As far as we see, this very nice inverted head and shoulder pattern could have an amazing leg towards the upper side. Now, could this be the price target that I'm pointing at 26,700? Now, I would like to say that for sure we should come in higher time frames, or at least go back in time to see what kind of confluence we have at these points, okay? Because of course this is targeting to an area that we could come easily, or even come and touch over to the 29,000, but this is something we cannot see and predict right now. It could come for another confirmation, so we can have a leg towards the downside again and continue, of course, the bear market where we are in. But could we have another reversal pattern here? And of course, this VWAP, this V-shaped recovery could come all the way up. Yes, it could. It could give us actually one more reason for a confirmation. And of course, well, this is what I'm pointing at, the 25,000, 24,900, what is the major resistance level to watch right now. Could we have a breakout over that one? I wouldn't say that I would see right now something like that, because we have a falling, like a descending broadening wedge at this point. So the most likely scenario is that we could come retrace like that, or like in a higher point, and then see another kind of like W pattern playing out, so we can have a reversal and of course a breakout over that one. Now, the entry, for those that they are students, they know very well where should happen if this plays out this way. So what we see is that we could have a reversal right here with a W pattern as far as we see, and this could be the scenario that I am pointing in case this comes all the way towards the upside down. It's a very good thing that this inverted head and shoulder pattern is right here, so we can point higher price targets. But of course we should keep in mind that we should see another corrective wave for these Elliott waves that they are playing in the opposite side. So the corrective wave could easily take us all the way towards the upside, and of course this is what I'm pointing right now, and that's why I'm saying that there are many fractals that they are pointing for another very nice leg towards the upper side. I wouldn't say that we could fall further than these kind of levels, 19,800 right here. This would be my stop loss area for now if you are swing trading. Now the long position of course could start at these points, and of course I'm targeting higher price targets, but you should split definitely your profits. You should be secure your profits right here. So I wouldn't say that the risk to reward ratio is exactly that one, but yes, I would be cautious in case this is happening. Now we have many things happening right here. We have also the 22,500, that this is the AB equals CD scenario, as far as I mentioned before as well, and this wouldn't be a bad trade actually to say. And then we also mentioned the fact that we have this very big resistance point at the midterm. So we have like 1, 2, 3 touching points. So far so good, and the 22,100 is a level that you should be a little bit scared in case you want to secure some profits. Then you should be lower than that. Now of course this could play out and break easily towards the upside, and of course take us all the way to the upside. Now of course, like by mentioning these very nice levels, you could easily trade this in a way as an ascending triangle, but it would be bullish for sure in case we break this this very nice resistance point right here, so we can see further price action towards the upper side. And it's the same thing in case this is happening for an ascending triangle. So yes, definitely, if you are pointing at the ascending triangle targets, okay, so this is like how we could take it. This is another price target that I would take right here, adjusted to the breakout that can happen easily until 29th. I also have been mentioning this thing in the Telegram group, and of course targeting higher price targets approximately 23,800. This is the level I am watching definitely for another leg towards the upper side. So far so good. We are watching a very nice also support here in the RSI. You see this very nicely. It's amazing the fact that it's holding so good, is perfectly attached to all the points. And also if we had another leg towards the downside, it would be another point to watch down here, so we can reverse and take the next trade towards the upper side. Also hash ribbons, it's something we are following up all these days, and of course if we see a buy signal, this would be an amazing indication in case the capitulation is done, it's over for the miners. And yes, this could be a very nice long that we could take eventually for the Bitcoin price. So falling wedge, inverse head and shoulder pattern, AB equals CD scenario, everything is pointing towards the upper side right now. Yes, we are in a bullish move that we could see for the Bitcoin with a very nice stop loss. We are very close to the stop loss area. Of course, don't exaggerate with the leverage. Nothing is a financial advice. You do your own research before you do anything. And of course, if you are traders or not, if you are not, join the Crypto Miner Academy. We are technically showing everything right there. We are taking people from zero and we take them all the way to become professional traders. And yes, we make it happen many years now. This is an amazing trade that you could easily take, and of course until like from 28th until the 1st of July we could see another leg towards the upper side for Bitcoin. This would be an amazing opportunity in case you want a long. And yeah, this is what I'm planning actually to do. I've started already with DCA in case we are watching a reversal move and touching for another confirmation and then towards the upside. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to scroll down, smash this like button, subscribe to the channel, press the bell button for all the notifications. See you in the next one of Crypto Miner. Bye bye.